The potato industry was a major breakthrough for our technology because we made an agreement some years ago with a very large potato starch producer here in Europe that is using our technology now to isolate the proteins from potato and selling them as a food grade proteins. The industry knew for many years that there were valuable proteins in the potatoes, but there were no technology for isolating these proteins in a profitable way. That was enabled by our technology, and we are now talking to have cooperations with many different industries, both within different plant crops, plant proteins, and also waste materials from animal and fish industry, where all of them having valuable proteins in their side stream that we can help them valorize. We help the potato industry, we help the dairy sectors where we are helping them with producing and separating the proteins from cheese whey, both as a bulk product, all the proteins coming out, and also separating or fractionating into all the different elements of the protein. It takes time, but again, as an example, the potato industry is now using our technology in large industrial scale with a capacity of in 1,000-ton scale per year for the protein production. So it is working. Our technology is working in an industrial scale. Well, as we have heard several times already today, the global demand for protein is growing all over the world, and we have to, and the world has to look for alternative sources for proteins. And we believe that these sources can be spread much more in compared to what we see today. One of the areas we're looking very much into right now is the biofuel business, where both in the bioethanol and the biodiesel production, you're using food, raw materials containing valuable proteins. Our technology will help these industries to isolate the proteins in combination with the bioethanol and the biodiesel production. So you're producing both biofuel and food-grade products to help on these protein needs, the global protein needs. Typically, we are working with the waste stream from a food production. So in the typical example of our solutions, we are not impacting the food production at all, because we're working with the waste stream. So we have no relation to the primary food production at all.